Hey everybody! Today's tutorial is going to be on how to access Google Classroom. Google Classroom is going to be where a lot of assignments are being posted, where a lot of resources are kept, and where a lot of just information will be given to students or links for different activities we're doing. So how you access Google Classroom is you first want to go into Clever, as you can see here, and go to the Google Drive app. We might refer to it as the Big G because it's a big G. So go ahead and click on your Google Drive app, and this should open up a new tab, and this new tab will make sure to confirm that this is you. It says verify if it's you, and so check and make sure that it is in fact you, and click continue. When you continue, what it should take you to now is Google Drive. You'll see a lot of your work on Google Drive, but where we're going to go to next is right up here to what I'll consider the waffle. The waffle is this array or this grid. It has 9 little squares. We're going to click on that, and then we're going to find the app that says Classroom, and we're going to click on that one time. And what this will do is this will take you to Google Classroom. Now you may already have some other classrooms that you're a part of, and you may have already joined the classroom for this year, but the way that you join a class in Google Classroom is you find the plus sign right up here near the waffle and click on that once. What it will do is it'll give you a space to type in your class code. So right here you would type in your class code, and you'd press join up here. After it's done loading, it'll take you to our classroom. And this is where you'll see different assignments posted, as well as some different resources to use. Hope that was helpful. I'll see you guys next time.